Okay, we're live. Hello everyone, and yeah, I just want to make this, just want to complete this little plugin, like espresso thingy here I got, and let me show you how it works first. So you have this thing, right? It's just a null object, and yeah, this is the thing. And what I'm gonna do is I'll just copy this a few times. Yeah, this is how you do it, by the way. Just copy it a lot of times and select everything, just copy it. It'll grow exponentially, so yeah. Okay, so let's go with 100 of these objects. And obviously there's a lot right now, so what I'm gonna do is select all of them and go to select, selection filter, create selection object. And I'll put them inside this, doesn't matter, but it makes it easier for like scene management. Okay, so this is a stringy pull object, and what I can do is I just click the restore selection, and I can just lock the object manager thing. What's this window called? Yeah, this thing. Wonder what that's called. Attribute manager. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so there are some settings here. First, I'm gonna disable the freeze position, and this will make a bunch of points scatter around. And if I just keep hitting next frame, you can see like they change. Uh, anyway, let's see here. And yeah, this one looks pretty nice, right? So what I'm gonna do is click the freeze position right here. And now they shall just stay in that spot, right? All right, first I'm gonna disable the geometry first, just to show you what's happening here. So this is the thing. Yeah, this is the effect that we want. As you can see, it's very jarring, and yeah, you have some controls, maximum dissolve distance, basically like the distance between the 2 points before they disconnect or dissolve, I guess. So you can see like that. Are there any chats, by the way? I don't think so. Anyway, if I up this to something like, oh, I don't know, 500, it should be a lot more stringy. You can see here, a lot more, yeah, a lot more sticky, I guess. Like they stay for a lot longer. Yeah, that's very long. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like to keep it at like 150. I think that's a good amount to start with. So yeah, like that. That's pretty cool. Honestly, I think the splines here are a little too small. So I'll go to preferences. Where is it? Viewport display. And then spline should be somewhere here. Spline thickness, I'm gonna up that to 3 pixels. Yeah, that's good. That's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, now that we know that it works, I'm gonna disable the handles here so it looks, looks better, and then I'll enable the geometry, and this is where things get cool. So there are some more settings here, as you can see, which can be daunting, but it's fine. So yeah, they have some thickness now, and just to make it less laggy, I'm gonna turn down the linear subdivision to 10. That should, oh my god, that's annoying. That should make it kind of less laggy, I guess. Okay, anyway, so this looks pretty nice, right? So obviously we have the thickness, just controls the thickness, and then the shrinkage multiplier. This one is kind of interesting. So basically, hold on. It allows you to, like, if the shrinkage multiplier is low, then you'll have more contrast between like when it's big and when it's small. But if it's big, like 50, and of course you have to adjust your thickness with it, it's a more subtle change. The thickness change, the change of thickness in respect to time or whatever. So yeah, I like to keep it like maybe like 30. Actually, you know what? In the user data here, I'm gonna make it quantized with. Oh yeah, I have to only deal with the first one. There's way too many objects here. Anyway, some other settings. Let's start an endpoint. I like to keep the endpoint less than 100% because they tend to go through thin objects, which sucks. Anyway, it's fine. And then start, just start. I just keep it at 0% because it doesn't matter. Thickness variation. Oh yeah, and these variations here, I haven't done anything to them. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today actually, to change these things, to add them in a massive espresso rig like the one here. You can see it's very massive and yeah, scary, I guess. Oh, hello. Okay. All right, so yeah, let's just do that. First, I'll delete this, and then I'll delete all of it. I just want one. Oh, it's in the mouth. Okay. Um, I want to put it like kind of up there. So I'll just keep doing this. Oh, there you go. That's a pretty good position. And what was I gonna do again? Change this shrinkage multiplier step to 0.1. Okay. Now it should be good. Oh. Okay. Well, now it's time to get into the notes, which can be scary. But first of all, I need a reference because I did this a couple days ago with another of my what's it called, plugin, which is this one. And yeah, it's a very big note, as you can see. But it's fine. So this gets put in the name, mixing factor. I just realized I didn't have to do any of this. I can just use one note for everything. Oh, wait, but the thing is there's this seed at. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh yeah, okay, so we can't just do that. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. But anyway, we'll just use the same formula, which is this, if you want to copy it, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a bunch of sine, and it's divided by some amount. That's it. So yeah, this is basically what we need. So I'll select this, Control C, and put it here. Put it somewhere down here, maybe. Okay. Put it down here. So we'll need the null again, and we'll drag in a couple of parameters. First is the name, so we'll just drag in the name, string pull, and just for something, I'm gonna add a .4 to it just to simulate if it were numbered. You'll see. Okay, so that's name, and then I can just drag these things. Oops. Variation seed. Variation seed. Variation seed. And do that. And look at that. Pretty cool. So anyway, we just gotta change this fill string here. Just put this to the string 1, I believe. Yeah, it's the string 1. Okay. Okay. Then I'll try to get a result from this thing. Oh, that works. So if we change the result to string, we should see what's going on. We're turning it to that. We want it to be exactly 13 characters. Oh, that's perfect with the mimic base. So I didn't have to change anything. Great. So I'll just hide this. And yeah, great. Anyway, we plug the variation to mixing factor. Yeah, this fill string can just stay up here. Actually, I should do the same here. Let's just simplify things. Instead of like going to multiple fill string, why not just go here, right? Fill string. Yeah, go here. Don't need that. And fill string. Go there. Don't need this. Hide this and put it somewhere in the middle. Yeah. Okay, so we can just pretty much do the same thing. So, yeah, I'll give this a save. And then I'll go back here. So that's the mixing factor already plugged in. And then the variation seed should be right here, if I remember correctly. Right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right. We have some results. Okay. Okay, interesting. Very nice. So the mixing factor here just accounts for that. So it's 1, formula 1, and then it connects to a multiply. Yeah, that's exactly how it works. Okay, so we have this, and we just gotta drag some noodles from up here. Build string. It's a weird name. Yeah, okay. I'm kind of confused now. Mix factor. This is the dissolve distance. So what you want to do is just go multiply. Wait, no. Math add. All right. Also, just to check, let's just add a result node at the end. The default should be just 1. But if we change the variation, this is the dissolve distance, should get some wild values, as you can see. A little too much, I think. But anyway, we can change the seed here to be something else. There you go. Oh yeah, that works. Nice. And if we change the number of this, it should also change. Yeah, great. The seed add. Honestly, I think this is a pretty good value. I mean, the variation is like 100%. We can also adjust this. So the 100% should be like the worst case scenario, right? I think this makes total sense. Okay, so It works. Pretty cool. Also, while I'm at it, I'm gonna make this seat all random. Okay, let's go to this multiply thing. I'm gonna change it to multiply. And how did I do it with this one? I mean, it's just multiplies, bring up. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Multiplies commutative. So let's do that. Let's do that 3 times, which isn't as bad. The last one I did for like 4 times. So yeah. Maximum dissolve distance up there, and maximum dissolve distance go into the compare. Is that correct? Boop. Okay, and we could just hide this, and that's 1 done. We have to do 2 more. Move this down a bit. All right, next step. Basically just do the entire thing again. So let's do it. Seed add goes from the fill string. I'm gonna like hide the not usable ones. View minimize. Oh wait, no, that's not. Select connected, disable. Honestly, I don't think there is this one. Result, input, and then the seed input. And then variation just goes straight to the mixing factor. And this gets multiplied with this thickness. So we get our thickness. Come here. Great. Okay, now where does this thickness connect to? It's this thing. Input. Boop. Nice. 2 done. 1 more to go. Just duplicate everything with, oh shit, wait, hold on. Duplicate everything, do that. Copy. Okay. I should make this bigger. Yeah. Variation, mixing factor. Seed add. Oops. Seed add. Yeah, I guess we can just like start playing with the variation, see if it works. Yep, it does work. And we'll plug multiply. Can this go more than, oh, it can. Okay, but it doesn't really matter though. Okay, so this multiply is for shrinkage multiplier. So let's do that. Shrinkage multiplier goes there. And then the output, shrinkage multiplier is on float value. It's just really small. Am I even do that correctly? Shrinkage multiplier, really? Honestly, I can't tell. I'll just full screen. Shrinkage multiplier. Just one mistake can ruin everything here, so I'm being very careful. Great, so these are the multipliers. I'll just connect them together and move them somewhere here. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a really big mess. Wow, this actually is a big mess. Okay, but now we should have a lot more control with the variations and everything. I'm gonna hit save. And now it's time to, well, experiment with this thing. I guess so. I'll make this stringy pull, and if I Right, should be good like that. Now, should still have a value, right? String, yeah, okay. So I can just copy this multiple times. So select everything, copy, paste, blah, 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 blah. Just keep doing that. Oh, perfect. I want 100. So I'll select everything, and I'll just click that button right there because it's quite good. And I'll drag everything in there. Save. Saving is very necessary. Okay, well everything's like that. I'm gonna hit the lock and uncheck freeze position. I wanna see these. So okay, these are very interesting. Also, the thing about this is that it depends on like the your mesh density. So for example, you can see like most of the points are concentrated around the lips, and that's because the lips has like more vertex density, because this thing sticks to vertex. So yeah, if you don't have like a super uniform topology, then yeah, this might not work very well. But our face here is actually not bad. I mean, yeah, there are some parts where it's like really dessert like. But it's fine. It's fine. We can still get some interesting variations. I'll just keep changing this until I see what I like. I like ones they're like compiled in the top here, so I'll look for that. And this one is pretty good, but I think we can do better. Oh, this one's interesting. Okay, yeah, I like this one. I'll freeze the position. Actually, you know what? This freeze position needs to be like on top. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Yeah, I thought it was just lagging or something. It's fine. Okay, so anyway, can just play that and the admins. I'm gonna enable the geometry, and yeah, that looks nice. Disable. Okay, that actually looks really good. Like, can just like drag it around, see what it's like. And I'm gonna up the thickness a bit when it's in here. When it's like close, I'm gonna up the thickness. And when it's far, I'm gonna make it smaller with the shrinkage variation here. I'll make it something like 15, maybe, I don't know. Yeah. And I think that works. Yeah, that works quite well. Okay, let's get to the variation this time, which should be very interesting. Because right now it looks pretty uniform. I'm gonna up the... Oh, yeah, that totally works. Look at how like it's like adding and subtracting a lot. So yeah, it really is a variation thing. Okay, let's start from here. I want to see how it looks like. Ooh, yeah, that looks pretty gnarly. Also, it's pretty laggy. I'm assuming it's because of my OBS. OBS uses kind of a lot of CPU. But maybe I can just change this to specs. Yeah, I'll just leave it at default. I don't think it matters. But I think you can still hear my laptop fans. It's fine. Should be a lot faster. Well, not a lot faster, but it is kind of faster though. Okay, so we got that covered. Let's try other things. The thickness variation. Thickness variation. Is it working? It is working. But it's not very variant enough. So I think I'll have to turn down the divide function there, yeah. and then and then we should be able to get some wilder results. Well, this is not super wild, as you can see. And then the shrinkage multiplier. Honestly, I think the shrinkage multiplier needs to be like relatively the same, because it might cause some weird issues where it's like doesn't seem to be physically accurate. But yeah, that's just my guess, so I'll keep it low at like 20%. Okay. Wow, that looks really nice. Oh yeah, by the way, it's important that you don't change the name of these things, because otherwise, yeah, it'll mess up the seed variation system. Right, I'm liking what I see, but yeah, I need to make some adjustments. I'll change the position to somewhere more accessible. Okay. What was I about to do? Oh yeah, I wanna put the freeze right up here. Okay, because it's like the most important setting of this whole rig, and I want the results to be wilder, so I go to the divide. I'll unlock this. Math divide. Set to 3. If I set it to 1, it should be super wild. So I guess we should just leave it at 1. Yeah, I mean, for now. I mean, if you just divide it by 1, then we don't really need the divide node. But yeah, for now, I'll just keep it there, because I don't know, I might make some changes. And while I'm at it, I'll change it here as well. Oh my god, what is happening? Math divide. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, so we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. I'm gonna set it to 1 as well. Okay, great. I'll save this. Save and close. Okay, so yeah, we're pretty much done already. I don't know what else to do. I guess I can just like make some enhancements. How long have I been streaming for? 39 minutes. Oh wow, that's very short. Oh, okay. So what else can I do then? Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much done with this. This is looking done. It's looking cooked. Okay, I'm gonna turn off all the variation for now. Variation, yeah. The default should be 0 for variation pattern. Okay, this is, yeah, it's looking nice. I think this will work very well for a lot of uses, because I am using this for my short film. Oh yeah, I'm making a short film, by the way. It's yeah, progress has been very slow, but yeah, I think I can get it done before, well, the end of the year at least. So yeah. Yeah, before the end of the year sounds good. But I don't know. I could be very busy, and there are lots of things. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Oh, I really don't know what else to do right now. I mean, the title is already this about this plugin, so like I can't just make other stuff. I mean, I can, but like, yeah, it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be super ethical, isn't it? Position is currently normalized at 0, everything. Okay, I think I just gotta prep this for a final release or something. But yeah, it's not, I don't think it's really that much. I think I can handle that later. Oh yeah, I have to update the versions too. So yeah, here are my stuff. This thing is called the stringy pole. This is now version 3. Okay, great. Side head. Oh yeah, this icon is pretty cool, by the way. I think. I mean, I made it myself, so like, yeah. Yeah, this is looking pretty cool. I think I'll just experiment more with this. So, just, copy a bunch of things, blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna go for 150. I think it's good. And selection, restore selection, put it under the selection, swap, restore selection, lock. Nice. And uncheck freeze position. Hey, that's a lot more points. Exactly what I wanted. Oh, this one looks good. Alright, freeze. It's gonna be real laggy though. I'll trim off the handles. Ooh. This thing is super trippy. Oh yeah, I haven't tested the seed. Okay, let's change the variation of the dissolve distance over here and change the seed. Oh, nice. Totally works. That add function to the sine waves really works. This works very unexpectedly, honestly. It's like, yeah, I was having problems with the original espresso random node, and I just thought, like, you know what, I'll just make my own random thing using sine waves, and it turned out it actually works. Might not be the most random thing, but like, yeah, for variation and stuff, I think it gets the job done. So I don't mind with that. Anyway, if you have the variation really high, should get some weird results. I think I'll keep it kind of 25%, sure. Yeah, so some of it really sticks there. I'll keep it at 22. Sure. Oh yeah. Nice. Very nice. Lots of variation. It's always good. By the way, have I updated the freaking expression? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's good, it's good. Let's bring back selection and lock. Okay, let's now start with the end here. Yeah, you can see when the end is 100%, it goes kind of weird. Also, yeah, this thing doesn't detect collision, so yeah, some stuff will go through like that. I mean, yeah, what are you gonna do? So you can see it starts out thick and kind of goes away. So I'm gonna change the thickness variation. Ooh, that was pretty automatic. I'm gonna change it to 10%. Cool, very cool, cool. Ooh, that's very cool. That's very cool. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, it's taking a little slow. Okay, the shrinkage multiplier, I don't think I want to dabble with that, but yeah, you know what, let's just give it a shot. They'll just grow bigger. Am I doing something wrong here? Well, why are they all just getting bigger? Are we sure that these things are actually like making big numbers? Yeah, they are. Okay, cool, good to know. Just wondering. But yeah, the shrinkage multiplier variation here doesn't really make it smaller. Or is it because like, yeah, wait, yeah, what's happening here? It's not making it smaller. It's just a seed. Oh, well, something was up with this seed. What the hell? Okay, so some seeds are just straight up garbage. Not sure why that happens. Yeah, this is weird. This is kind of weird. But I like weird, so it's fine. Plus it's 30%, and yeah, just watch this abomination. It's really cool. Topology error. Oh yeah, the cool thing about this is that like, if you have like something you don't like, for example this one, like it's sticking out, you can just select it and just delete it. And yeah, just no one will know. Oh, actually you have to find the parent. Okay. But yeah, I can, if something like sticking out, like acting weird, you can just like select them and delete them. Okay, bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye. There you go. It would be nice if there's like a select parent thing. Select parent. No, yeah, it's fine. Select root, maybe. But there is like children, so that's weird. Anyway, this is looking nice. I wonder what else I can do. If I change the subdivision to like 1, then it'll just be like a 1 thing. Or 2 maybe, yeah. 0? 0 just gives me a cone, which actually works okay. Oh, that's really fast. Okay, I see. And for the radial subdivision, I chose 1. If I change something like 0, oh, it's just a square. Okay, that's very interesting. But yeah, it doesn't change the lag very much. I think most of the lag comes from, honestly, I don't know. Oh, I have to make sure they get disabled when they die. Oh, that's a good thing. Okay, so I'll delete this. That's a good update to have. I think that'll make it respond faster, because that's actually happened to my mimic, my other creepy plugin. I changed it so basically after a certain distance it just disables everything. So yeah, I think that's better. I'm gonna turn down all the variation for now. Okay, where's this thing located? Of course it's in the mouth. Okay. Okay, I'll just keep switching. Oh yeah, not bad. Okay. So let's make it disable all this stuff when it goes a certain distance. And we actually already have that node. It's this compare right here. it only accounts for the tracer active, but not the circle and the sweep. So we should do that now. So if we go like this, oh, it's the trace active, but not the actual tracer. I see. So we can just put the enabled here and just put on both of them, and it should be disabled. Yep. That should reduce lag. Now that tracer is disabled, we can also disable the sweep. But if we disable the tracer, then the sweep is already like off by default. So we don't really need to worry about that. The circle here, it's, yeah, I think if we just like disable sweep, circle, tracer, I think that'll be more laggy. But we can try anyway. So, oh, look at that, we already have it down there. Why do we make a new node? Should we make a new node, or should we like just get from these? I mean, that'll be a lot more complicated. So yeah, let's just drag circle here. Circle enabled. And the sweep. Sweep enabled. Where is it? Sweep enabled. Oh, it's already... Huh. Why is it already connected? Enabled is by enabled jump. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. I'll delete this first. Enable geometry. Okay, so we have to like make some sort of logic. Okay. Yeah, I got this. I got this. Enable geometry. Put it. Oh shit! Fuck. Okay, we shouldn't just delete it. Okay, enable geometry. And we'll just have to use some logic, I guess. Can we do like a multiply thing? I'm pretty sure we can. So yeah, let's just add a math. Math add. Should connect to this. So if I just get a result, should be 1, and the output of this should be 1. And the enable geometry right there. And I'm gonna set this to multiply. How do I, okay, multiply, so it's just 1. So here's how it works. If the, oh yeah, I just realized that we need some logic gates. Logic compare. Compare, is it compare or condition? Data type string, function equals? No, not equals. Okay, I think it's condition. It's condition? No, it's not. Script calculate bool. Oh, here it is. Bool. Functions and, I believe. Okay, so if it's on 0, it's only when it's both on. Right, great, okay. That's it. So just put this to the bool. Put the other one to the other bool. Nice. So now if we disable this, should, oh wait, I haven't put it here. Sweep. Oh, I see. So I should just put it on every single thing. There's the sweep one. Enable, 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 enable. Okay. Nice. So we have this node setup. So basically, when I uncheck that, it just disables everything. Check it, disable, and the other condition is if it goes too far and it breaks, should disable everything. And if it's both the conditions, it should still be disabled. Nice. So yeah, that's exactly the node setup. Just put this here. And I guess this should be a lot less laggier, but yeah, it's time to see. So let's for the 100th time, I'm gonna copy everything. That's 21. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should get 100 already. But I want more, so I want 150. 168. Yeah, whatever. Select everything. Selection. Restore selection. Put it under the selection. Lock. Nice. Unfreeze position. And enable this. Actually, you know what? I think the viewport handle should be at the top. Because it's quite... Oh my god, I keep forgetting. Okay, you know what? I'll just... Yeah, whatever. I'll do it right now. Because it's annoying. Manage user data. Viewport handles. Move it to here. Hit OK. Okay. Let's just copy this. Actually, I still have it copied, don't I? I'll just start from the beginning. $180, sure. 180 is a lot. Selection. Go to this selection, restore selection, and hit lock. Put it under the selection. Okay. So now it's time to freeze the position where it's good. Oh, this one's nice. I'm gonna disable the handles. Okay, it's not fair comparing it because we got a lot more stuff here. But if I change this dissolve to be very low, it should be less laggy then. Yeah, maybe. Honestly, I can't really tell if it works or not. But I think it does work. Like if I just do this, it's just like undeniably laggy. If I change to like 2, then it should get some a better FPS, at least. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. But yeah, this is pretty good. Ooh. That stringy is kind of delicious. I don't know why. Okay, so I guess we're done here. We're done? Maybe we're done, maybe we're not. I don't know. If there's like a script that can like clone something without like having them, you know, be instances, that would be great. But like, yeah, I can't get the cloner to be like not instance. It always instances, I guess, because it's like less laggy or something. But yeah, it'll be great. So I don't know if that exists or not. Maybe it does. Cinema 4D duplicate script. Cinema 4D cloner. Yeah, I searched that. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think there's really any way to do this. sucks. Yeah, it sucks. But you know what? I think this is fine. I mean, it's better for like adjusting the amount and stuff. Well, not really, but like people are familiar with copy and pasting, so I don't think it's a big deal. Ooh, okay. Well, I think it's done. I didn't expect it to be this short, the stream. Honestly, I feel bad for ending the stream right now because I don't know, I feel like I want to do more stuff, but I don't know what stuff to do. What should I do? What should I do? What can I add in this plugin? What can I contribute more? It's already very complicated as it is. Restore selection. Sweeney Pole. Yeah, I actually just don't know what to do. I just realized something. Do these notes have a? Oh, okay. Yes. I thought they have like a dot. That would be annoying. What are these dots in? Are they like just Z fighting artifacts or something? I guess they are. Oh, because they're 100% here. If I change to like 99%. Oh no. Okay. 96. Hey, good enough. Ooh, look at the goop. Got the goop. It's really cool. Okay, so even though it's disabled when it's like, off, I wonder if it's calculating any more stuff. Because that might be why. That might be why it's like this, So surface 1, surface 2. For objects, multiply. Point. Okay, there's really nothing here. Well, there are distance. Is there a enabled? No, nodes can't just be disabled like that. Can we drag the espresso tag itself? Okay, but espresso tag doesn't have an enable disable thing, so we can't. Oh, there is. Wait, so it can just like turn itself off, I guess. Can it? Wait, I'm interested now. Okay, so if it can turn itself off, then it should be super not laggy, Oh, actually, finally it's on top. Okay, let's do this then. Put it there. Espresso. This time we don't want the thing. We just want straight up the compare. Wait. Oh. Yeah. Do we want that? Okay. I just want to test if this is disabled. Then after a while, it still sticks there. Okay. So honestly, I think if it doesn't stick, it'll be better. So espresso. Enable. And just put it there. Okay. This is kind of sketchy. This espresso should be a relative reference. Okay, so if I just, oh, it's it 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 um it's dead. Ah, I see. So yeah, you can't just do that. It just died. Just died on spot. You can't really bring it back again. I see, okay. So how do I turn off all this calculation? I guess there's no way of doing that, really. Yeah, I don't think there's a way to do that. Unless maybe you have like 2 espresso tags. Then I guess that could work, yeah. Well, why don't I just do that? So I can just like compare the distance here and straight up just put it there. Okay, but the circle, wait, not the circle though. Where are the nulls? Oh, the nulls are here. Okay, I can just drag them straight here. Viewport visibility. So I guess I'll have to do some more of this Boolean thing. Oh man, okay. So compare the viewport visibility or something. But the viewport visibility is negative. So if we change this to and, you know what, let's just give it a result and see what happens. Result. So when it's disabled, it's invisible. Viewport visibility. So right now it's 0. So 0 is this. Is this 0? I guess this is 0. So if I plug this to the viewport visibility, it should just work. No, it doesn't. Or oh, it should be invisible though, but it's not. Now it's invisible. Okay, yes, that's wrong. Soar. Now it's invisible. That's wrong. NAND. No. Nor. Maybe this is it. Okay, so let's say we disable this. Oh, okay, yeah, that's a problem. Okay, these logics are like, I'm not good at this. I don't actually know any of this. NX or oh, is this it? Is this it? Oh, this might be it. Okay, that works. Fuck. God damn it. So I might have to do some inverting here. You know what? Let's just do it. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Invert. So it should invert a bool, I assume. Anyway, disable. Right there. Straight through the invert. Oh, it can't invert bool. Okay, so not. Oh, I see. It's not. It's not. Okay. So right now it's visible. So this is the new value now. So right now it's visible. Wait, it's not visible. Is it because it's... Wait, we gotta disconnect these first. Okay, so right now, one is visible. Okay, one is visible, and we're just gonna straight up bool it here. and the result is still a 1 because yeah, it's a 1. But if this is disabled, it should be 0, and if it's fully disconnected, it should be 0, and if both are on, should still be 0. So we can just copy this knot back, put it here, and then just put it on the viewport visibility. Now it should work, hopefully. Okay, so that connects. Boom, disappeared. If I disable, oh, why is it? Oh my god! Wait, why does it still appear? But it says to. It's a not, and it's an and. It's a bool. Let's a compare. So let's get another result, I guess. What is happening? Why is it visible? Okay, it's already set to disabled. Which means it's a 0 in here. Oh, the function is fucking. Okay. Okay, now it should work. It should work. It should work. Please work. Okay, you know what? Oh, there you go. Now it actually works. Nice. Okay, anyway. We had way too much of this nonsense. Okay, so we need a distance, so I'll copy this, this distance, compare with dissolve distance. Damn it, that's a lot of notes. Yeah, and this is all that we want. I'm gonna copy all this and make a new espresso. Tags, programming, espresso, copy, shit, copy here. No, oh my god. Do I have to just select everything or something? Why can't I paste here? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna delete unused ports. Can we do that? Remove unused. F multiply. Oh, shit. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. Shit. Okay, I'll just delete everything. Okay. We have some more nodes to account for. Point distance. Compare, because we need to compare that obviously, and then we also need a this and this. It's 7 multiplied, but we also need this, and we will also need this, and this. God damn it. There you go. Should be good. Remove unused. Remove unused. Okay. Also, these are the same objects. I can just put the stringy pull right here, but I can't. Oh, come on. Stringy pull maximum dissolve distance. Yeah, you're going here. And you're going to input. Goodbye. Fill string, yeah, whatever. Why is it? Okay, whatever. Why is it switched up like that? Anyway, we have the compare now. Everything's good. I'll just add a result. Yeah, okay, let's go. 1 because it's there. I want it to be 0. Why is it not 0? The compare is already lower than the freaking thing. Maximum dissolve distance multiplied by that. Compared and still not 0. What the fuck? It's less than. Oh, I know why. It's a priority thing, isn't it? 2. Still doesn't work. Crap. Okay, why isn't this working? Something's wrong. Distance there. The output is there. Okay, I think something's wrong with the system. I don't know what it is. I just want a function where everything disappears. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Let's just get that function right now. Which is that with the enabled geometry. No, that's not it. That's not it. No, 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 no. That's not it. No. What's the thing that just disables all of the stuff here? And why is it so hard to find? This it should be this bool right here, but for some reason, yeah, okay, this one clearly works. Like that clearly works. When it's 0, and then when it's 1, but this one doesn't work. Even though it's just the exact same thing. Compare bool with enable. No, we don't want to compare it with enable geometry. We don't need it. Compare it with multiply. Okay, let's just see the result of the distance. It's also 4 point whatever. And then at some point it goes beyond that. Cool, but this one, distance isn't the same. So what the hell is happening? Are we referencing the same string equal? Or is it because of the point index? God damn it, the point fucking index. Wait, but if they're two different, then yeah, they can't coexist. Can they? If it's different like that, can they truly coexist? Because they're like two random values. Can they truly coexist? I don't think so. That idea is not a good one. Okay, I think this is good as it is. I'm so thirsty. Yeah, well, it's done. Let's just enjoy some stringy pull gameplay or something. Which is just me doing all this. 40 Where are we at? 78. 16. I'll go with 156. Maybe let's just go a bit. I'll just go 150. You know what? I think that's better. I'll go with everything. Selection, restore selection. Put it under there. Shit. And then restore selection again. Lock. Unfreeze, and I should get some magic. Oh yeah, that looks interesting. Fuck, I changed it. Oh yeah, this one looks interesting again. And I'm gonna disable this. And now we just watch it burn. Ooh, this off distance. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna up this a bit to 140 or something. Okay, that's a bit too much. 125. And then some variation, because it's always good to have variation. It's always good to have diversity, and we'll just change the seed. Make it somewhat random. Okay. Very interesting. And the thickness, I think thickness is fine. I just want to change the variation. 20% should be good. And the shrinkage multiplier, this one is kind of cursed, so don't really change it too much, because it is weird, honestly. Like, for some reason they're all just the same, and yeah, I don't know why this happens, by the way. But if I just change the seed, it's like it gets all these crazy things. I think it's because of my flawed random function. Could be. But like, yeah, I really had no other choice, so like, yeah, this is pretty nice. Yeah, why are they all uniform like that? And I think there's something wrong with my notes. Shrinkage multiplier. Hold on, shrinkage multiplier. Okay, I'm back. Shrinkage multiplier, shrinkage multiplier. This one, okay, variation. Ah, there it is. Jesus, oh my god. How did I not spot that? That was embarrassing. Okay, I'll just delete everything and restart again. Fucking hell, man. Okay, you need to fill a string to put in the name. The seed, the freaking seed, bro. And then that version seed. Okay, everything else is correct. Good. And we'll just do the whole thing again of copying and pasting, whatever. Okay, I'll just blah, blah, blah. Then select everything, blah, 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 and then select everything again, and then boom, boom, boom. 168. Sure. Make selection, restore selection, put it under everything, and lock. Disable freeze thing, and we'll just see what we can come up with. Hey, this one looks pretty uniform. Looks pretty good. I'll freeze it. Okay, and I'll disable the handles. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now it's actually really cool and stuff. Look at that. Ooh. Now the shrinkage multiplier should work. I haven't tried it. Now we should get some wild results. Oh my god. Some of these values are like straight up just jumps so high. I'm not really sure why. I'm gonna go with, oh, look at that. Look at that guy. 30%. Okay, this is, oh my god. Yeah, why does it keep doing this? I hate c4d for that. Yep. Yeah, there's some weird glitchiness going on here. What's going on? I'll just delete this guy because it's weird. Oh yes, nice. Oh crap! What happened? Okay, we got some more things to delete now. Oh, just if you're wondering how I like do this, you just basically like select what sticks out, right? For example, this one right here, and then you right click. Wait, I actually don't know how to do it. I think it's like edit. No, is it view? Scroll to selection. As you can see, I made a shortcut for it. It's XF, so I can just do it really easily. Anyway, I'm gonna select that thing. Go to that and bye bye. So there's only 164 now. Still a lot, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and just watch it shloom like a crazy thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, another thing I haven't tried doing, by the way, is to make this face slime sticker kind of morph into the face of the previous one. So like, the thing about this method is that like everything has to be like in the same topology with the same number of points and all that. So if I go to the face slime sticker and somehow edit it to, you know, fit around the eyeballs or something, or, you know, fit around the mouth, it should be more physically accurate. So let's try to do that somehow. Not sure how. I'll turn off the selection. I'm gonna select this front part, then I'm gonna unlock this first, and I'm gonna turn on soft selection. Change the radius something small, 10% centimeters, or some more. I don't know a good value for this, but yeah, basically I should be able to just. Why is the axis wrong? You just push it back like that. It should be a lot more accurate. Okay, let's go 23, because that wasn't super accurate to begin with. Okay, I'm gonna match it with this thing. And the mouth. It's a bit too big, 20. And change the fall off to something like a dome to make it fit the shape of the mouth. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I think that's it. Let's add everything back together. We should get a better result from that one. Ooh. Yeah, it's not more realistic. I was like sticking to the nose instead of like floating. And it actually went inside the mouth, which is good. And yeah, there are some collisions here. I don't know how to fix that. Maybe there is a way to fix that. I don't know. There are like some collision things in c4d Espresso. But to calculate all of that, it's gonna be pretty computationally expensive, I think. But let's see if there's a way anyway. Okay. So collision. See, there's some collisions here. There are collision and ray collision. I don't know what's the difference. So yeah, there's some collision things here. I don't know how this works. Okay, let me think about how this could work. So I was thinking about like we get like a global position of two things, so here and there, and then we basically just detect if there's anything in between it. But the thing about that is that the only way to do that would be to use points, like for example like a get nearest point node to get like the nearest point like where it intersects. So I could, even though I get the point, then the point's very small, so maybe I could make like a radius threshold, but honestly that's pretty complicated, and I'm not really a node guy, so yeah, this might be the best I can do for now. Collision type, bounding box. Oh, there are some collision types here. Sphere, object 1, object 2, collision. What about ray collision? What is ray collision? Ray collision. It's some matrix stuff. Okay, so I guess that's the plan. Could work, could not. But yeah, I'll definitely try them someday, or maybe today, tonight. Who knows? Okay, let me think about how this actually would work. So we have 2 points. We have the distance here, right here. We have the position. We know the position, which is just like a global position thing. So that's good. We got that one, right? And how do we detect stuff in between then? I don't think that's even possible. Oh yeah, actually, if you don't want these intersecting things, you can just like, you know, use a circle select or whatever and just select whatever you want. And then, yeah, just change the settings for them individually. For example, you want to change them to, you know, reduce the search distance or something. And yeah, they'll definitely be great to solve these things. Anyway, I think I'm pretty much done here. Because, yeah, it's just, yeah, this is alright. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me. And, yeah, I'll see you in another stream or video. Bye bye.